romantic kiss so you can cry.
Hello you guys, in today's video we're just gonna be playing with some Colourpop eyeshadows. If you recognize this eyeshadow, this is the High Tide eyeshadow palette. Look how beautiful it looks, you guys. It's extremely stunning. Without any more rambling, let's just get on. And I'm gonna quickly speed up how I get my complexion so you guys can also see what I use but don't have to be waiting for the whole process. So let's start. Isn't this so beautiful, you guys? I'm so excited to try this one, and let's just start. And I feel like I want to start with this color right here just to see how it lays down. I'm kind of rounding this edge as well as I go. So much pigment though. Look at that, so beautiful. Just gonna go in with the second layer and try to build up to my brows. And also I'm gonna bring it down here too, just to build this part right here and it doesn't get behind. A clean brush just to kind of kiss the edges of it and make it very blended. So now I'm just gonna build a little bit of the finishing with this color right here, and we're just gonna see how that looks. Go floral, and it's very powdery, you guys, so be careful. So I'm just gonna start placing that right in here in the crease, just to build a little bit of the finishing. And I already love this color. It's so beautiful. It's kind of like a gray and blue kind of color. So pretty. I love that it gets me that shadow right there. So I'm just gonna build a second layer. Reinforce. But I love it so far, you guys. So beautiful. So now, you guys, I'm just gonna draw a little cut crease with some concealer right in here. Just gonna grab the smallest brush you got and draw a little line right above your natural curve, just like that. Just fill up all that empty space. Now that I have my cut crease, which is not so even, we're just gonna grab this color right here, which is the darkest of the shimmers, and we're gonna work off of that one. Just gonna place that one right here on the edge. Kind of like in the outer third of the eye. And I'm just gonna place that in there. You can see that very well. I love that shimmer. So beautiful. And then in the outer B, I'm just gonna bring a little bit of the darkest color of the palette. A very small brush, detail brush. Just gonna grab a little bit of that one and tap it right in here just to meet that shimmer. You guys. Now I want to bring this one into the middle. Oh, you guys, so pretty. And it has some fallout, so and now I'm gonna bring this one right here, which is one of the lightest shimmers in here, just to put that right in the inner third. This palette, you guys, is everything. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye, put some lashes on, and we'll be right back. Alright, you guys, lashes are on. Just let's start doing the lower lash part. And before I do anything around here, I'm just gonna quickly run this pencil my waterline just to open that eye up. And look how gorgeous that color is. Super stunning, you guys. I love. And I'm gonna link these pencils down below because I have quite a few of them, and I just find that they are the best pencils ever, and for a very, very affordable price. This doesn't pass of $2, maybe less. It's not more than $5 at all, and all of them are really creamy and really beautiful. Look at that. Ooh, I'm gonna link it down below for you guys to find it. Also, I use the Princess Lash mascara from Essence, and it's really, really good. I'll link it down below as well because I find that it's very, very, very good. So let's continue with the lower lash part, and for that I'm just gonna be running this color, and then I'll run this color just to finish it up. So I'm gonna be using a very precise brush from Morphe, and I'm gonna start with that color, just running it around the lower lash. Just gonna start building that color in there. And now I'm just gonna grab a little bit of this color and smoke it out. A little bit of this color right here on a smaller brush and place it in the inner corners. That shade has some glitters in it and it looks stunning. That shade, I'm gonna bring a little bit of that shade right below my brow arc or orange. Wow, you guys, I'm loving it. So I'm quickly gonna warm up a little bit more my face because it's a little bit to watch out from all the color going on, and I'll be right back. Now I'm quickly going to line my lips and just put in a liquid lipstick, and these ones are from the Ulta Beauty collection last year. So here is the look complete, you guys. Hopefully you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow for more videos like this, because this is gorgeous, you guys, and I plan to do more videos like this one. And I'm in love with how the look turned out. It's so amazing, you guys. This shadows from Colourpop are truly stunning. This is the best green and bluish kind of color combination that Colourpop has come up with. I love this one, you guys. I recommend it a lot. The shadows are soft, the shimmers are amazing, so it's stunning. So I'm loving it. I'm totally loving it. Hopefully you too. And if you do, please don't forget subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. So that's it for today's video, you guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.